So guys, Bitcoin is losing all kinds of different supports right now, and it is not looking very good for Bitcoin right now. It really looks like we are ahead to dump even lower in the Bitcoin price. Now, of course, yesterday we were able to form kind of a bullish divergence right here. But of course, we did not confirm it with a bounce right here. So indeed, yes, it got invalidated right here. Now, technically speaking, we are forming this bullish divergence right here as well. But I would not really say this is such a strong signal unless we can be seeing some kind of bounce. And if we can be seeing some kind of a bounce from off the RSI indicator and from off the price, yes, then we might be looking in towards further price increases. But right now it really looks like we are about to dump even lower, and it is just very obvious, of course, because we are still right there in an 8-hour downtrend. As you can be seeing right here, we are creating lower lows and we are creating lower highs. Okay, technically speaking, you want to be shorting in this downtrend. Then also we are losing this very key level of support on the daily time frame, which means we are right now entering this low volume range. And usually during these movements in a low volume range, well, we usually come towards the next support target, which in this case will be the 25k target, which is going to be these previous highs. So that is my level where I'm keeping my eyes out. But definitely this low volume range definitely means that we can be expecting a very quick and very volatile move towards the 25k levels getting reached. Now then also, we are also of course breaking this symmetrical triangle towards the downside. And if we have a look in towards the technical targets of this symmetrical triangle breakdown, well, we might be going as low as 24.3k level, which means that we are going to be grabbing some liquidity from of these point highs right here, and that we are actually going to be retracing towards these levels of these highs right here at about the lower 24k targets. Okay, so that's very interesting. But also, what I also want to be having a look in towards is this Fibonacci golden pocket. Because actually at this point of recording, we are reaching the reversed Fibonacci golden pocket, which is always a very strong support level. So definitely keep that in mind. It's also confluencing with some previous resistance at this point right here. So we might be expecting some kind of a reaction from of this level, because also on a 4-hourly time frame, it still looks like we might be creating some kind of a bullish divergence, as I showed earlier in this video. Okay, definitely keep that in mind, but I'd rather stay in my short positions right here than opening a long position, because the trend is your friend and the trend is definitely towards the downside right now. And I would not be looking in towards longing the market right now. I would rather wait for some bullish structure to be getting formed. Okay, because we are also, of course, breaking down of this head and shoulders pattern. We are also breaking down, and well, this one has actually the same targets as the symmetrical triangle, and this would mean we are going to be tapping in towards these levels right here of these highs at about the 23.8k level. And then on the weekly time frame as well, we are currently getting this rejection from of this level. And as I've spoken about for a very long time already, this weekly structure, these weekly candles do not really look that bullish. But indeed, we are seeing this EMA ribbon support band coming in right here at about the levels we are currently trading at. And whenever we will be breaking down below the 24.8k level, well, then we are going to be breaking below the EMA ribbon support band, which I do not think is going to be very likely, because previously around, whenever we got a bear market recovery, well, all of the time we did not went below the EMA ribbons anymore. So I would not expect this time it's going to be different, and I would expect we are going to be getting supported by this EMA ribbons. So in the very short term, I would expect some more downside to come right here. And I'm definitely keeping my eyes out on the 25k level, because that will be the level where I'm going to be opening my long positions from off. And I've been saying this for a very long time already on this channel. I'm keeping my eyes out on the 25k level. And whenever we are going to be reaching that, well, then I'm going to be opening some huge long positions. So guys, with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning. And guys, bye bye.